Today I'm challenging myself to get stitchy, which means I'm taking you behind the scenes for a shoot. I'm going to talk you through my process and make sure that you understand step by step why I've chosen the things that I've done, and finally take you to the final shots for a product photography shoot of cross stitching. So if you've ever wanted to get crafty and didn't quite know how the process goes, let's talk through the process. Step one, we have making sure that we understand the thought process behind the shots that we want to take and getting a general idea of the vibes. Now, I do have a sheet that I do recommend to all of my people who are beginners to be able for you to make sure that you don't miss the thing that you're looking for. Obviously, in Perfect Products, we go through all of this step by step, making sure that you hit the shots that you know you definitely want to do. There are, of course, 5 that we recommend. 1 video if whether you're doing Etsy or any other type of e-commerce. We need to do the shoot. We need to be thinking about our lighting, making sure that we fill in those shadows using a reflector. And experimenting between the difference between a harsh light and a soft light. We need to be thinking about our composition, and we need to be thinking about the overall aspect ratio to make sure that we're meeting the needs of the platform we want to use it on. What questions do you have about product photography, and what is your biggest challenge? And then finally, we need to make sure that we're editing. Editing is the most important process for this, to make sure that it's true to reality and we're getting the vibes that we're looking for. So here are my final shots. Which is your favourite? I hope this helped you to take you through the process, and until next time, happy clicking.